Apple has just dropped iOS 26.1 Beta 3, and it's packed with new controls, hidden tweaks, and a serious performance boost. Step 1. Liquid Glass Opacity. Go to Settings on your device. Scroll down and click on Display and Brightness. Here, click on Liquid Glass, and choose between Clear or Tinted. Step 2. Lock Screen Camera Swipe. Head to the Settings app on your device. Then, scroll down and click on Camera. Scroll down and look for the option Lock Screen Swipe to open camera, and just turn it off. No more pocket selfies or random videos in your gallery. Step 3. Slide to Stop Alarm. The new Slide to Stop animation feels smoother, but if you prefer a simple tap, go to Settings on your device. Then scroll down and click on Accessibility. Again, scroll down and click on Touch option. Toggle on Prefer Single Touch Actions. Step 4. Chip Performance. Geekbench scores. Got over 3,000 single-core and 7,600 multi-core. That's beast-level performance. Smoother gaming experiences, faster app launches. Step 5. Apple Intelligence Update. It's still in beta and officially relabeled in this version. Step 6. Rip Apple Clips app. Apple Clips has officially been removed from the App Store. Honestly, no one's shocked. Step 7. Release Timeline. Apple's release cycle is right on track. Expect iOS 26.0.2, mostly bug fixes and security patches. This is just the beginning. Stay tuned and subscribe for more latest updates.